Hey everyone, welcome back. Checking your account balance in the Barclays app only takes a few seconds. Here's how to do so. First, log in into your app using your password or your biometric login. Then, once logged in, your main account balance will appear on the home screen. Tap on your account to view more details, including available balance and recent transactions. If your balance does not update immediately, refresh the app or log out and log back in. You can check your bank balance anytime through the Barclays app as long as you have internet connection. To make sure you have secure internet connection, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. If not, just make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so you can check your balances without having any issues or internet issues, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.